Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Desi Astro. This channel teaches you about Python coding and PhD physics interview experiences. Myself Jyoti Prakash, I am theoretically an electrical and electronics engineer, and an Master of Science in Physics from JNU, New Delhi, and currently a research fellow at Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, IUCAT, Pune, working in field of galaxy evolution and dynamics. I have cracked the Junior Research Fellowship JRF Physics Exam and secured All India Rank 40 in December 2019. I got around 61% marks equal to 121.125 marks out of 200 marks, and my percentile was 98.877. I was able to clear this exam with my self-study, without any coaching assistant. In this video, I will share my experience of cracking the JRF Physics Exam and some tips that help to achieve this feat. I will discuss about my preparation strategy, study materials, books, video lecture and tips for success. This will helpful for other, who are futuristic to crack JRF Physics Exam with top rank. I will also talk about the importance of staying motivated and focused during the preparation phase and the value of taking mock tests and analyzing the results to identify areas of strength and weakness. My journey is an inspiration for anyone who is planning to appear for the JRF Physics Exam and they have different background other than physics in either undergraduate or graduate level. My insights and tips may be valuable for students who are looking to improve their exam preparation strategy. During my second year of B.Tech I got interested in physics and felt that I am gravitating towards physics. Then I knew about this exam, and knew that these exams are necessary to crack if I want to do a PhD. I was interested in doing PhD in astronomy and astrophysics. Then this was the starting point of my JRF in physics journey. So, if you want to learn from someone who has cracked the JRF Physics Exam, with self-study, without any coaching and secured All India Rank 40, and got admission in top research institute, then please be sure to watch this video. And subscribe to Desi Astro to stay updated on more such informative and inspiring videos. Cracking the JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, Physics Exam requires a linear combination of dedicated preparation, strategic planning, and consistent practice. Here are some tips and tricks that can help you prepare effectively and increase your chances of success and acquiring top rank in JRF Physics Exam. First thing I did was understanding the exam pattern. Before starting your preparation, it's important to understand the exam pattern. The JRF Physics Exam consists of 3 parts. Part A is a general aptitude test, contains maximum question 20, in which maximum 15 can be attempted, 2 marks for each correct answer and 25% negative marks if incorrect. Similarly, Part B and Part C is subject-specific questions, in which 25 and 30 question given with 3.5 and 5 marks, maximum you can solve 20 and 15 question. Second thing I did. Know the syllabus. Once you understand the exam pattern, it's essential to know the syllabus thoroughly. The JRF Physics syllabus covers a wide range of topics, including mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, and thermodynamics, nuclear and particle physics, condensed matter physics, atomic and molecular physics, experimental physics, and electronics. Knowing the syllabus will help you prioritize the topics and plan your preparation accordingly. Third thing I did was some research about number of question asked from topics every year. Here you need to do a little bit research on exam pattern, that how many questions are asked per year per topics. This you can easily obtain from any coaching website. I have attached this link to video description. When I did some research, I found that topic like mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, and stat mech, they are asking significant number of question. Also these subjects were interesting to me, so I had a good command on it. Hence I was mastering these topics. Some book I studied for this exams are followings. Mathematical Methods for Physicists by George Arfken. Concepts of Modern Physics by Arthur Beiser. Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by D.J. Griffith. Quantum Mechanics, Concepts and Applications by Noordin Zetalai. Classical Mechanics by Herbert Goldstein. Electrodynamics by David Griffiths. Statistical Mechanics by R.K. Pathria. Fundamentals of Statistical Mechanics and Thermal Physics by F. Reef. Mathematical Physics, H.K. Das. Elements of Electromagnetics by Matthew N. Oseidiku. Semiconductor Physics by Streetman. Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory by Boylestad and Nashalsky. Op-amps and Linear Integrated Circuits by Ramakant Gaikavad. Digital Fundamentals by Flyod. Concepts of Modern Physics by Beiser, Mahajan, and Chaudhary. Nuclear Physics and Introduction by S.B. Pate. Fundamentals of Molecular Spectroscopic by Banwal and Gash. Quantum Mechanics book by Gerald Haas. Classical Mechanics book by Gerald Haas. Along with books I also did some preparation with online video lecture from NTL and OCWMIT and other platforms. Here are some lectures. Electromagnetic Theory, IIT Bombay by Professor D.K. Ghosh. Electromagnetic Fields, IIT Madras by Professor Harishankar Ramachandran. Introduction to Electromagnetic Theory, IIT Kanpur by Professor Manoj K. Harbala. Quantum Mechanics and Applications by Professor Ajoy Gudhuk, Department of Physics, IIT Delhi. Quantum Mechanics IIT Madras by Professor S. Lakshmi Bala. Quantum Physics, IIT Madras by Professor V. Balakrishnan. Quantum Physics I by Professor Alan Adams, MIT. Quantum Physics II by Professor Barton Svebak, MIT. Classical Physics, IIT Madras by Professor V. Balakrishnan. Special or Select Topics in Classical Mechanics, IIT Madras by Professor P. C. Deshmukh. Condensed Matter Physics by Professor G. Rangarajan, Department of Physics, IIT Madras. Introduces Statistical Mechanics by Leonard Susskind. Introduces Classical Mechanics by Leonard Susskind. Electronics by Professor D. C. Dubh, Department of Physics, IIT Delhi. Nuclear Physics, Fundamentals and Applications by Professor H. C. Varma, Department of Physics, IIT Kanpur. Modern Physics and Quantum Mechanics by Alexander Maloney at McGill University. And others. Now comes to your execution part for JRF Physics. Study systematically. To crack the JRF Physics exam, you need to study systematically. Make a study schedule and stick to it. Divide your study time between theoretical concepts and problem solving. Solve as many problems as possible to gain a strong grip on the subject. Now here comes to most crucial part. Practice previous year's question papers. Solving previous year's question papers is one of the most effective ways to prepare for the JRF Physics exam. It will help you understand the exam pattern, the type of questions asked, and the level of difficulty. It will also help you identify your weaknesses and work on them. Now listen carefully, how I prepared with previous year question papers and how I got a top rank. I took my own exam with each year previous question paper along with a OMR optical response sheet and sat for 3 hours, imagining that I am in real exam, and solved the question paper. After 3 hours, I evaluated my marks and ratio of wrong to correct answer and improved for next time. I tried to minimize my negative marking during this test. Believe me, this worked a lot for me. This was also work for you. It is 100% guarantee. My second style you can follow is that read one subject, say like classical mechanics, after completing the theory of it. Take your own test on all previous year question from classical mechanics and check your accuracy. This will help you to know that, how much well you know the topic and where you need to do extra efforts. After following above 2-star key, I was able to score around 50 to 60% in previous year paper, and this boosted my confidence. Take mock tests. Taking mock tests will help you assess your preparation and identify areas where you need improvement. It will also help you manage your time during the exam and improve your speed and accuracy. You can also join any coaching institute test series, else, you won't stick to my above star 3 as I did. I didn't join any test series, I just solved question papers again and again. And this boosted my confidence. Before exam day. My exam was on in December 15, 2019, before the night I took 10 hours of sleep. Please don't compromise with sleep time on last day, take deep sleep as much as you want. Take light break fast. My exam center was in Patna and this exam was on computer based. Before attacking the question, just flows through the whole question paper and see which part from A B C is easier. I started from part A because part A is relatively easier. After that I moved to part B and C. Don't stick to any question more than required time. And solve those questions in which you are confident. This will save your time a lot. Please don't be panicked during the examination. I solved around 10 questions from part A and around 17 to 19 questions from part B and 12 to 13 questions from part C. I did not attempted any question that was not sure to me. So I did less negative marking. Finally, when result was out, I got around 61% marks equal to 121.125 marks, and my percentile was 98.877. And marks were following part A, 19, part B 56.875 and part C 46.250. So this was my journey and strategy to crack JRF Physics and get a good rank. I hope you will be benefited from my experiences and you will have a great career ahead in life. Thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Desi Astro. See you soon with another exciting video.